Most of the time when you had some type of head trauma, it's like, well, in 7 days, we'll look, we'll see where you are in 7 days. Now you get a day to day. That's tools that can give you that feedback of, are we repairing? Is this working? I mean, this makes it so much easier to get properly healed and recovered. The AI Neurotech Insights is implementing those techniques will be game-changing.
There are many challenges when we try to utilize AI or machine learning in healthcare. And in particular, we have problems with the data. So data is not collected or stored in a manner that's well suited for mathematical models, right, and statistical models. And so what we're doing at Neurotech is we're very careful on the clinical intake side, when we're actually collecting data, to do it in a very structured way that's already thinking about the AI models that are being run behind the scenes so we can get better recommendations. So it's a really important way, not only in this condition, but this actually has wide-scale applicability across a number of situations.
With our gait technology, which is an analog signal, we're able to measure Parkinson's effectively, MS, and some other neurological conditions. The nice thing about having AI, to turn those signals into actual biomarkers, the length of time is going to shrink tremendously. So to go from one condition to the next will be pretty seamless.
And our aim is when we get a new patient, we're able to get information about their demographics, their injury, their exam and test results, and we can compare it to previous cases of similar patients and say, we've seen lots of patients who have had a similar injury to you. These are the treatments that generated the best recovery. And that is clinical decision support for the clinician to make their decision on the treatment plan. And that's leveraging artificial intelligence.
Having been doing AI for a number of years, it's really exciting to actually have the promise of this big an impact. And this is the way AI doesn't have to be so scary and sort of pessimistic, but this really represents great promise and optimism.